Hey guys, Brent Pavich, HVACR Tech. I'm going to make another video. I wasn't planning on doing anything today. I'm still getting over this cold that I've had for like 2 weeks. But stay tuned. I was watching this other video and I'm like, Jesus Christ, I got to make a new one. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so I was just sitting there, in my house watching television. And I watched a video by the HVAC Millionaire, and I about threw up. It struck me as so odd because I was just getting ready to make a video on this in about 2 weeks. The video was just posted by him a couple weeks ago, and it was on owner salaries. And I'm following along, and he's quoting articles and this, that, and the other. And then after he gets done with his little spiel, he gives you this sales pitch on, his courses that you need to buy in order to make money in the business. And I'm not saying you don't need to seek, learning opportunities and this, that, and the other, but, if you're like me and you're in business and you wanted to make some money, I think there's better ways, First of all, like if I had a course, I'm not going to sit there and quote some other stuff. I'm going to show you what I did and basically get you some street credibility. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you my 2017 business tax returns, and I'm going to show you how the information this guy was spitting out isn't right. So stay tuned. Okay, this is a 2017 business income tax return from a business I owned. Gross receipts, $1,322,000. Cost of goods sold, $716,000. Gross profit, $605,000. Other income, $38,000. Gives you a total gross profit of $644,000 on $1,322,000 in revenue. Next, compensation for officers. $58,000, that was my pay. And then my administrators' pay, people in the office, repairs and maintenance to the building, rent, $42,000. I own the building, and based on tax advice from my accountant, we determined that that was fair market value for the building based on what we were operating at. The business paid my taxes. And then the next line, interest. We didn't pay any interest payments. But there's line 19, other deductions, $213,000. That's a lot of miscellaneous expenses, maybe lease payments on work vans, stuff like that. But thrown in there was a $12,000 lease for one of our company vehicles that we had. If you had to pay that after taxes, that'd be even more expensive. So my net profit, line 21, $146,000. So if you add that, the lease, my taxes, rent on the building, along with the $58,000, average salary, an HVAC Millionaire's video is $50,000-$60,000. On $1 million business. I don't believe that I'm 4 times better than average. So that's why I disagreed with that video. I don't know where they're getting those numbers from. But, this was a real tax return filed in, 2018 for 2017 taxes. If you got a comment or a question, put it in the comments below. All right, so anyways, I'm not going to sit there and try and sell you something or give you some bad information or quote people that who knows the survey they took. They're probably the same people that think the earth is round or flat, depending on who'd you ask on what day. And if you had a question, comment, concern, and you reached out to me, I'm going to tell you straight up, I got nothing to hide. I play by the books. I file my taxes. I was aggressive when I was in business. I'm not looking to take advantage of the guy that's just out there hopping along. I can tell you this, when I was in business, I had 2 employees that I know of that ended up opening their own businesses, and I did nothing but support them. In one of my videos, you're going to see that I owned a building where I had a competitor in there. Well, one of his employees turned to me and he went out on his own, and whenever he had a question or concern about business, always kind and gentle, always willing to help. We're friends today. You know, it's about, what can I do to help you? You know, I'm not here to sell you nothing. I don't need nothing from you. But that video, when I watched that, Owner's Salary by HVAC Millionaire, it was like I couldn't believe it. I mean, come on. So if you like the content, like and subscribe. But I'm going to tell you what, have him show his tax returns, have him show you what he's making and where his money's coming from. Because I think what you're going to find is maybe he's not making it from the business, he's making it from trying to sell you on why you need to do business with him.